Okay, we're still in section 6.3. We're going to look at solving an inequality equation when we have the x values on both sides of the equation. Okay, so we're looking on page 370 at example 3. Okay, so in this case we have 6x minus 7 is greater than 2x plus 17. So we're going to add the 7 to both sides. That will leave us with 6x is greater than 2x plus 24 because 17 plus 7 is 24. Now I'm going to have to bring this 2x over here with this 6x, and I'll accomplish that by subtracting 2x from both sides. And we have 4x is greater than 24. And lastly, we're going to divide both sides by 4, in which we get x is greater than 6. And notice we didn't have to change the sign here. Now we're simply just going to graph it by putting a circle on 6 and highlighting everything greater than 6. Okay, now we're going to look at two examples where the x value is actually canceled out. And there's two different scenarios that can come up with that. So let's look at those. First of all, we're still on page 270, example 4a. This one I have 14x plus 5 is less than 7 times 2x minus 3. So, still following our steps of solving equations, we're going to use distribution. 7 times 2x is 14x. 7 times negative 3 is negative 21. So we have 14x plus 5 is less than 14x minus 21. And notice I can subtract out the negative 14x from both sides, and we get 5 is less than negative 21. Well, that's not true. We know that negative 21 is less than 5, and because it's false, it means I will have no solution. However, though, let's look at B, where I have 12x minus 1 is greater than 6 times 2x minus 1. Once again, we're going to use distribution. 6 times 2 is 12x. 6 times negative 1 is negative 6. So we have 12x minus 1 is greater than 12x minus 6. Subtract your 12x from both sides. We're left with negative 1 is greater than negative 6, which is true. Negative 1 is greater than negative 6. So my solution will be all real solutions.